Are you ready to start your career in AML KYC? Your journey towards mastering this field begins with eStralux's comprehensive End-to-End KYC Training Program. This course aims to empower you with the tools and knowledge required to navigate the complexities of anti-money laundering and KYC basics in investment banking. It gives you deep understanding of 11 different entity types and their specific attributes with evidence sourcing. The training encompasses a wide range of screening topics, ensuring you are well versed in the nuances of the finance and compliance arena. What sets eStralux's KYC training program apart from others in the market is the unique blend of theoretical knowledge and practical application. But the benefits of this program don't stop at the comprehensive curriculum. We understand that acquiring knowledge is just the first step towards career advancement. To support you in your job search, eStralux offers exclusive resources such as an interview preparation booklet. Furthermore, this program comes with a promise of 100% job placement assistance. That's right. Conveniently structured over a span of 2 months with weekend classes, this program respects your time and other commitments. With a modest investment of $25,000, you open doors to a promising career in finance and compliance, an investment that pays off exponentially. So why wait? The time to act is now. Empower your career with the comprehensive KYC training program by eStralux.com.